involved.
Okay, hey, what's up, you guys? So today we're going to be exposing a hacker. So please, if you want to know all the information, continue watching this video.
Okay,
so I have the proof right here. So me and Rare Queen MSP. This is her old account called Rare Goddess, and it's probably on her YouTube channel, right?
No.
Oh. Well, the other account is. So, Rare Goddess. This account was hacked by Silvery Beast Girl. So, Silvery Beast Girl is like, you would think you could trust her, and you'd think she's nice, right? Nope.
Yeah.
You would totally think that. I'll write down her user right here.
Wait, Savvy, look. Look, Savvy. Those black shapes is a parallelogram.
Oh, wow.
Stop laughing and take my life serious. It literally is a parallelogram.
Oh. Silvery Beast Girl 13 is her username. Silvery Beast Girl 13. She hacked me.
3, 2,
Here's
1. So this is Silvery Beast Girl.
If you guys don't believe me,
I'm asking her for VIP because what I want to do is expose her literally.
So this morning I was just trying to glitch VIP on one of my accounts, and Silvery Beast Girl. So I just text her and I'm like, "Hey, what you doing?" And she's all like, "Oh, nothing much. You?" And I'm just like, "Oh, I'm just trying to hack VIP or glitch VIP." Cause I was just like pretending to glitch VIP. I was like, "Oh, I'm gonna totally glitch VIP." Anyways, so she's over here all like, "Oh, I can buy it for you. Don't worry." So what I do is I'm just like, "Oh, hey, why not trust her? I mean, my best friend Nicole has gotten VIP from her." So she logs on
because I didn't have my email in there. And I was on mobile, so I could see what my email was, and you can't put an email in.
Okay, so I just was like on PC today and stuff, and so she signs in on my account. She logs in. She's like, "Okay, I'm logging in." So then I go back into my account once she leaves. Nicole was monitoring my account. So when she says that, I go offline. I sign back into my account. And then, next thing, oh, guess what? You're like, so, okay, I can't talk. Okay, so I go to messages because it says I have messages. And I go to my messages with her. It's gone now because she blocked me. I'll show you that she blocked me. And it says I have given her gifts. This is Silvery Beast Girl's account. This user has blocked you. This is her girlfriend, right here, Angela3617. And so I text her and tell her about what happened.
6317.
That's what I said.
No, you said 3617.
Oh, 6317. Okay. Anyways, I go texting her and I'm like, "Oh, I had 2 of these tops at first. Because in my first video, you will see that I had all this stuff. So what she took from me, she took a lot of stuff from me. Oh, I gave this stuff to Lemon because she's the best. Anyways, so Silvery Beast Girl takes these shorts, these bunny slippers, this shirt, my favorite one, girlfriend material. This, my very favorite animation. This fur dress. It's not rare, so Silvery Beast Girl. I thought it was rare at first. I could just buy another one. This dress, which is not rare. This one, which I'm wearing right now, so This really ugly hair that she should feel free to take that ugly thing. One of my my only rare Ariana hair. My, flowy curls hair, which is also, I think, a Deepak or rare or something. And these winter cheeks. Those were rare as well. And she stole all of that from me. 2 pages full of stuff. That's 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. 4 pages full of stuff. 12 items she stole from me. Hallelujah. Okay.
Okay.
And all of these, I think all of these were given to me except for this one. Except for that. And I think except for that. And that was given to me, I believe. This I bought. I bought this. This was given to me, Nicole. Stop farting. This was, I bought for a twin outfit. Oh, yeah. So, the majority of that stuff was given to me. But, what are you doing? And so, like, really, back then when I was a noob, people would give me stuff because they felt bad for me when I was, like, a VIP noob. This girl is just like, oh, hey, I don't need this. You can have it. Whatever. Blah, blah. Blah. And she just gives it to me. Here, I'll go back. Way back there. Where she's given it to me. I've been like, really, I was really excited when I got that llama thing. The llama animation. Okay, guys, so I found back then when I was a noob, this girl gave me this. I was in love with these.
Savvy, you gotta hurry up. My mom's coming.
Oh, okay. So, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. And it turns out, if you connect the dots, so my best friend, again, this is her old account. She was hacked. She was hacked with the same email. So the email was like Gamer Beast or something. That does sound a lot like Silvery Beast, right? And apparently, Rare Goddess. So, Rare Goddess, see, right here, I will go down to when Nicole was still on this account and not this weird sniper person. Okay, so it says, please greet getting VIP on another act. This is her as well. Trading, and then this is when she got hacked. Where it says new owner. That was for real. Also, another thing, her old account. Remember on her YouTube? Rare Queen, her account called Rare Queen. Goodness. Rare Queen / I think. No, Rare Queen. Oh yeah, this. Okay. Oh, she wants me to call her. Okay. Okay, so as you could tell at this old account that she had,
okay, I need money.
It was obviously hacked. See? Do you really think that my best friend would block me? Honestly, I don't believe that. Like, there's no way. And a call just went by our house. Maybe they received our call about this. Ha, joking. We would never call for something as stupid as this. Okay. So anyways, Rare Queen, this and this, she was hacked. So when Rare Queen was hacked, the Rare Queen account was hacked. So when Rare Queen account was hacked, then she blocked me. And I cannot go on here because I have to search up her other account. Oh. Okay. Anyways, on her account, Rare Queen, she, as you can probably tell on her old video, one of her videos, on one of her videos, she was like, oh, let's see, what should we do, and stuff like that. oh, let's do this. And she's like on one of her videos. So she had this account, if you can tell on one of her videos. I think if I go to her channel. Okay, so on one of her accounts or videos or something, I think it was this reaction time. Okay, so as you can tell right here, Rare Queen, this is her YouTube channel. See, Rare Queen MSP, right here, people, right here. So,
Rare got it. I'm not saying my old main was Rare.
Here, let me show the login page right here. It says Rare Queen. See, Rare Queen. This is obviously her account. See, that's why it was Rare Queen MSP. Because her old main, Rare Goddess, was hacked by her girlfriend. This girl right here, Angela. And actually, if you noticed, her Rare Goddess account was hacked, but the girl is on it right now because she's not on her main. See, I'm going to ask Angela if Silvery Beast is Beast online right now. Of course she's probably not. If she is, I will be super surprised. I'm recording right now. Okay. Okay, let's see what the answer was. So, as you can probably tell, since she was on no, see? She's on my best friend's old main that oh, oops. Is her name Sniper? That's my question. Because if this is really her, not Angela, but if this is her, if this is really her on Lemon's main, well, Nicole's main, still she's Lemon now. They say hi back. And so if her name is Sniper, I'm going to be like so freaked out because that girl says her name is Sniper. So that's why. Yay. But yeah, so if she says that Silvery Beast Girl is offline right now, then that means that is her on that account. Oh, and also, wait, I actually need to leave this up here. Then, let's collect some fame, actually. Ugh, the lag is horrible. But I need it for my video. Oh, my Samantha look received a couple of loves. Okay, so I will get back to you, and in my part 2 video, there will be more information about all this stuff. Okay, bye guys, bye loves, love you guys, so yeah, and I will see you in my next video on part 2. Bye!